You know personalized follow-up gets better results, but doing it manually doesn't scale. That's where AI changes the game. Instead of one-size-fits-all emails, use AI tools like HubSpot or ChatGPT to tailor follow-ups based on real behavior, like email opens, content downloads, or webinar attendance. Let's say a prospect downloads a guide on shortening their sales cycle. AI can trigger a follow-up email that references that exact resource and offers a case study or next step. You didn't have to write it from scratch, but it still feels personal. That's how you stay relevant without adding hours to your team's day. Audit your current sequences. Are they triggered by behavior? Do they adapt based on what prospects actually engage with? If not, it's time to layer in AI and stop leaving warm leads waiting. This is Kendra Lee with your weekly sales tip, helping you personalize outreach at scale and keep your pipeline moving. Drop me a line or visit klagroup.com. See you next time.